Everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. And yesterday we did one prelims RC, and today we are going to do one mains RC from Guidely PDF course. If you want to purchase this PDF course, I will give you link in description, and by using my code you can get 10% extra discount, 12%. Okay, and you can see the level of the questions in this PDF course is very good. Plus they have video solutions also if you have any doubt in any question, so it's pretty good. Now we will move to the section. Here you can see this mains bundle PDF course. I will open it because this is 2020 and we will solve one mains RC of English. Okay, you can see that the number of questions given are good. So this is day 1 PDF of 2020, as I purchased this in 2020, so it is valid till now. So these are valid for 1 year. And now we will move to the passage which is given here, and as we can see that this is a long RC, so we will not read it full. Okay, first we will check the questions. Now sixth question is, find the parts of the sentence marked as one in the passage which has any grammatical error. So we have to find grammatical error. If the sentence is error free, mark E no error as your answer. So we have to find the errors in the sentences in passage 1. The sentences which have been marked as 1. So the sentence is given here. Okay, the Supreme Courts you can see at the bottom of the screen. The Supreme Court poses to the Union government on the measures it can and are willing to take against communally slanted television coverage should not end in undesirable consequences. Okay, now we will see that. Sorry. The Supreme Court's posture to the Union government, it is right, on the measures it can and are willing. So R is wrong here. Is will be right because Union government is a single entity. Okay. So is will be there. R is used for Union government. So it is wrong because here government is given. So is will replace R here. Okay. Then next is to take against communally slanted television coverage should not ended. So ended is wrong here because after modals we use simple form of verb, not the first or not the second or third form of them. Okay, so here end will be there in place of ended. So here we can see that D and B has an error. D and B. Okay, now we will move to our question. Here we can see in D both B and D have error, so D will be our right answer. Now we will move to 7th question. In this question we have to replace the words with each other and make the correct sentence. Okay, so we have to go to statement number 3. Now statement number 2, and here the question of word swap is given. So sometimes we need not to read the RC in mains also, because in mains one RC is there in which we have to do different type of questions like error detection, synonym, antonym, word swapping. So these questions can be dealt with without reading the RC. Okay, tomorrow we will do multiple options RC. So we will read the sentence affidavit viewers that media coverage predominantly struck a balanced and perspective, and that it was open to the state to choose from a number of varying neutral given by different media channels. So here we can see that the sentence affidavit viewers is wrong here. We will check the options. Perspectives is also wrong. Stated, so stated is right. The center's affidavit stated that. Okay, because that is given here. So A and C will be interchanged. Fine. Then media coverage predominantly struck a balanced and perspective. It is also wrong because balanced and neutral gives right sense. So balanced and neutral. So B and D will replace each other. So here we can see that A and C will replace each other and B and D will also replace each other. So the correct sentence will be, the center's affidavit stated that media coverage predominantly struck a balanced and neutral perspective and that it was open to the viewers to choose from a number of varying perspectives given by different media channels. Okay, so this will be the correct form, and you can see that these questions are very easy because we can solve these questions if we have the good habit of reading. So try to improve your reading habit because you can see that many questions can be attempted if we read editorial in a very sensible manner. Okay, now we will move to next question. Eighth question. In sentence 3 of passage, a blank is given. Find the antonym of which of the following words can fill the blank. Okay, so we will move to sentence number 3. There is no doubt that dash violations of norms are not uncommon. So we will read 2 to 3 lines above this line. Okay, we will start from end. And the government is in any case empowered under the act to prohibit transmission of programs that violate the program or advertising codes and even an entire channel in public interest. In the past, channels have been asked by the I and B ministry to take some programs off the air. There is no doubt that dash violations of norms are not uncommon. So here a negative word will be there, so we need a positive word. Okay, because antonym is asked, so we will try to find a negative word. So here we can see that abominable, shocking, marvelous, horrendous. So we have to find a negative word. So A and B are also negative, D is also negative. We need a negative verb. For that we have to find the positive word in options because we have to tell the antonym. Okay, so here in C we can see that marvelous is given and antonym of marvelous is shocking. So here C will be the right answer of 8th question. Okay, don't get confused. We have to tell the antonym of the word which can fill the blank. So here shocking can fill the blank. So antonym of shocking will be marvelous. So marvelous will be our right answer. Shocking is the wrong answer. Okay. Next is find a suitable title for the passage. So for this we have to read the passage. 10th is find which of the following is an idea of passage. For these two questions we have to skim the RC. Now we will start from here. The question appear to be an attempt to elicit a So in first passage something related to court and media, broadcasting media is given, and then hearing petition, again communal colors given by channels on incidents of large clusters of COVID-19 infection, Tablighi Jamaat event in Delhi. So here you can recall that it is based on media's coverage of COVID-19 of Tablighi Jamaat event, like how the COVID-19 spread in that. So next is portrayal participants as intentional super spreaders. Center's affidavit that media coverage struck a balance and perspective. Media channel, how court is keen at protection. So we can get the main idea is that court has given instructions to the media that they should not cover these events in this manner. Okay, because these can violate the terms of I and B. Mechanism of self-regulation, national broadcasting is effective. So self-regulation, normative journalism. Okay, the damage enough for action on the penal court law. So the case of Sudarshan News is also given, which propagated hate against Muslims. It is also an example. The court distinguished between free speech and hate speech. So we can get the overview of the RC from this, that court has directed the news channels which were spreading hate against a special community. Okay. So the main idea of the passage, so we will read the options now. The distinction between free speech and hate speech should be at the heart of regulation. Second is COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in the worsening of India's economic condition. No, it is not given. India is an investment destination that could serve as a manufacturing hub at the heart of global supply. They are saying that India can serve as a manufacturing hub. It is also wrong. Next is Indian economic contracted a record 23.9%. So it is also wrong. So here we can see that A will be our right answer, like the distinction between free speech and hate speech is given in the passage. Okay. Now we will move to ninth. Find a suitable title for passage. Curbing on air bigotry on COVID-19. Curbing on air bigotry on free speech, hate speech and regulation. Then curbing on air bigotry, Bangladesh. Then all of these. So here we can see that B will be our right answer, because in the passage COVID-19 is also given, but the main theme of the passage is to distinguish the difference between free speech and hate speech, and to regulate the media. So in ninth question, B will be our right answer. So here you can see that we have solved this RC in a very right manner. Okay, and this was mains level RC, because in mains 3 to 4 RCs are given and one RC is of this type, in which we have to solve different kind of questions. So we have solved these questions. I will try to make more videos of this type, like for mains and prelims. So that's all for today. If you want to buy this PDF course, I will give you link in description. Thank you and have a nice day.